6 months ago, Marcus couldn't wake up before 9 a.m. Today, 5 a.m. runs, 50K side business, zero excuses. No willpower, no discipline course, no life coach. Just one thing, an AI system that won't let him fail. In 8 minutes, you'll know exactly how he built it. But first, why you keep failing. Your brain is sabotaging you by design. Evolution optimized you for one thing: survive with minimum energy. 10,000 years ago, perfect. Today, it keeps you scrolling, snacking, sleeping in. Your brain sees early wake-up as energy waste, gym as unnecessary pain, new business as survival risk. So, it fights you every time. You think it's about willpower. It's about biology. You're not weak. You're human, fighting 200,000 years of programming. Marcus tried everything before the breakthrough. Attempt 1, motivation videos. Lasted 3 days. Attempt 2, habit journal. Abandoned in drawer. Attempt 3, accountability group. Dead chat after 2 weeks. Attempt 4, $997 productivity course. 12% completed. Sound familiar? All these systems have one fatal flaw. They need you to be consistent. And you are human. But AI? AI never gets tired, never forgets, never quits. Month 19 of failure. Marcus, 11 p.m., staring at his task list. 0 of 8 completed. He's about to give up when he sees an ad. I build an AI that won't let me fail. Not helps me, not motivates me, won't let me. He clicks, watches a guy explain, I don't track habits, I automate consequences. My AI doesn't give me a choice. Marcus stays up until 3 a.m., taking notes, building. Next morning, everything changed. Marcus built what he calls the Inescapable Loop. 3 levels, each more intelligent than the last. Level 1, the Enforcer. He used ChatGPT with iPhone shortcuts and Zapier. Here's the protocol. 5 a.m., text arrives. Day 47, time to prove yesterday's version wrong. 5:05, no response, phone call, loud, jarring. 5:10, still nothing, AI posts to Twitter. Overslept again, day 3 this week, taking bets on when I quit. Public accountability, automated, inescapable. Marcus hasn't overslept in 127 days. Not from discipline, from fear of public failure. Level 2, the Pattern Hunter. After 3 weeks, Marcus connected Claude AI to analyze his data. The AI noticed patterns Marcus never saw. Skips gym 73% of Mondays. Orders junk food after client stress calls. Stays up late Thursday nights. So, Claude adapted in real time. Monday, 5:30 a.m. You skip 73% of Monday workouts, not today. Extra enforcement activated. After stressful call, stress detected. Uber Eats blocked for 2 hours. Healthy meal ordered to your door. Thursday, 9 p.m. Your easy Friday pattern starts here. Bed now saves tomorrow. The AI knew his weakness moments before he did. Tools Marcus used: Claude AI, pattern recognition, Notion AI, habit tracking and analytics, Make.com, automation workflows, Beeper, unified messaging for all alerts. Level 3, the future calculator. Every Sunday evening, Notion AI generates the report. Not just what he did, what it means. Current path. At your pace, 6 months, 12,000 income, not 50,000. 6 months, 31 books, not 52. 6 months, 156 gym sessions, not 182. Potential path, if you don't miss this week, 6 months, 51,000 income. 6 months, 53 books. 6 months, 182 gym sessions. Gap, $39,000 difference for 7 days of discipline. The AI quantified the cost of every skipped day, not in guilt, in lost potential. And that gap haunted him. Week 12, Marcus breaks his streak. First miss in 84 days. He wakes up at 7:30 a.m. Panic. opens his phone, dreading the AI's response. The message arrives. Marcus, day 85, first miss. Before AI, average wake, 8:47 a.m. Productive days per month, 4. Projects finished, 0. After AI, 84 days. Average wake, 5:12 a.m. Productive days, 81 out of 84. Projects finished, 2. Side income, $4,300. 84 wins, 1 loss. That's 98.8% success rate. Most people don't hit 50% in a lifetime. Tomorrow, 5 a.m. I'll be here. Will you? Marcus reads it twice, screenshots it, sits in silence, realizes perfection isn't the goal. Pattern is. The AI didn't shame him for failing. It showed him he was already winning. Next morning, 4:59 a.m. He's up. Not from guilt, from proof. Here's the lesson. Motivation is emotional. Data is factual. Emotions lie. Data doesn't. The AI gave him something motivation never could. Undeniable evidence. And that's unstoppable fuel. Here's how you build this system. No coding, no expensive tools. Step 1. Choose your stack. Free options. For beginners, ChatGPT for enforcement messages, iPhone shortcuts or Tasker for Android, Zapier free tier for automation. For advanced, Claude AI for pattern analysis and coaching, Notion AI for tracking and weekly reports, Make.com for complex workflows, Beeper for unified messaging. Pick one to start, master it, then add more. Step 2. Build your enforcement protocol. 10 minutes. Choose one habit. Start small. Example, wake up at 5 a.m. In ChatGPT, create this prompt. You are my accountability AI. Every day at 5 a.m. Number 1, text me, day X, prove yesterday's version wrong. Number 2, if I don't respond up in 10 minutes, send clothes ready. Excuses are for the old you. Number 3, if still no response in 5 minutes, call my phone. Number 4, track my response time and success rate. Number 5, every Sunday show me success rate, patterns, 6-month projection. Be brutal but encouraging. Use data, not shame. Connect this to Zapier, triggers phone call, IFTTT, posts to social if you fail, optional nuclear option. Step 3, add intelligence, 5 minutes. In Claude AI or Notion AI, add analyze my daily check-ins. Notice, what days do I struggle? What time do I fail most? What triggers my excuses? Adapt your messages based on what works. Step 4, the weekly mirror. Every Sunday evening, show me this week's data. Success rate, weak moments, pattern analysis, 6-month projection. Let the numbers speak. Step 5, scale and iterate. Master one habit for 30 days, then add gym routine, deep work sessions, diet tracking. One system, multiple habits, all enforced. Pro Tools Marcus uses, Focus at Will, AI-generated focus music, Rescue Time, automatic productivity tracking, Superhuman, AI email management, Motion, AI calendar optimization. Remember Marcus from the beginning? 6 months ago, couldn't finish a productive day. Today, runs a business making more monthly than his old quarterly salary. Last week, he told me, the AI didn't give me discipline. It made failure more painful than success. Read that again. Made failure more painful than success. You don't need more motivation. You don't need another course. You need a system that won't let you lie to yourself. Your brain chooses comfort. Your emotions choose instant gratification. Your willpower runs out. But AI doesn't get tired. AI doesn't forget. AI doesn't care about your excuses. It just shows you the data, and data doesn't lie. You have 2 paths. Keep hoping motivation strikes every Monday, or build a system that makes success inevitable. Marcus chose the second. 6 months later, he's unrecognizable. How much longer when you keep losing to a version of yourself that's weaker than you deserve to be? This is Titan logic. Stop fighting with willpower. Start building with systems.